Hello everyone, welcome to the Center for Teaching and Learning. I am Professor Samuel Johnson. In today's lecture, we will see what are the online collaborative tools which the teacher and students can use when you do an online learning. Collaborative tools. I use the following, maybe you can try and see more. Alright. Number one, as you can see here, Whiteboard.fi. Whiteboard.fi. You can see the website, and below in the video you'll get the description. Whiteboard.fi. You can see every student using their board as a class note, and your whiteboard will be shared with all the students. And the beauty is the entire recording can be stored in a PDF where you can see every student individual participation. That's in Whiteboard.fi. Number two, you can use Lucid Charts. Lucid Charts. It's an amazing tool where there are predefined templates for various diagrams, flow charts, and you can collaborate that tools. The other one, Google has got amazing one, Jamboard. Right? It's available. It's a G Suite Jamboard where you can collaborate students in one board and you can write together, discuss together, plan together. Right? So you can use Whiteboard, or you can use Jamboard, Whiteboard.fi, Lucid Chart. Okay, and there are many more. Yeah. So I wish that this small talk is of some use to you to use more of collaborative tools. In the future videos, we'll see more and how a faculty and students can still have hybrid learning, flipped classroom model, sitting from anywhere and anytime learning. Right? So as we all say, at VIT-AP, no pandemic can stop any academic. Cheers.